Okay, for this activity, you're going to read the main topic, and then you're going to cut, paste, and sort the details that support the main topic and the details that do not support the main topic. You're going to use the text Going to School. It's on pages 18 and 19, or if you want to hear the text read to you, go ahead and scan this when we're done. So remember, the main topic was school in South Africa when we read about Sabanjali. So what I want you to do is you're going to cut this right here so it's a nice clean cut, and then you're going to cut out the boxes. And you're going to glue the box here if it's a key detail that supports the main topic from the text. If it's not a key detail from the text that told you about school in South Africa, then you're going to glue it here under Not Key Details from the text. So the first one says, the students drive 90 minutes to school in a truck. If that's a key detail about schools in South Africa, you're going to glue it here. If it's not a key detail about schools in South Africa, you're going to glue it here. The next one says, after school, kids like to play video games. Again, if it's from the text, you're going to glue it here. Not from the text, glue it here. The next one says, kids take a train to school every day. If that is a key detail from the text about the main topic, school in South Africa, glue it here. If it's not a detail from the text, glue it here. And the last one says, students wear a school uniform to school. If that's a key detail about schools in South Africa, glue it here. If it's not a key detail, glue it here. So you are sorting the details that support your main topic, school in South Africa, and details that were not told to you in the text and probably aren't true, right here. All right, make sure you cut nice and clean, put your name on your paper.